Hello viewer, here is a pen tool design. We will create a structure here. Use that one. I will take the further and I will use these kind of brushes here. Let's add a color into each part. So there we will find some different colors to add into the editing canvas. Let's make it a black design. Use that green options as well. Thank you for watching.